Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Thursday the 2nd of January. It is bloody freezing, but you know, man's got to pay his bills, got to go to work. So yeah, started the year doing some business, hopefully winning some business, earning some money. That's the life of a consultant. You have to fish, then cook the fish. So yeah, I'm going to my business partner's home right now, so we can whiteboard some stuff, do some planning, do some bidding. Yeah, wish me luck, wish me luck. So what's been going on? How is the start of your year 2025, eh? Let's hope we survive the year as a species. Lots could happen. Shocking, the state of the world, but we do try to go on with our lives without worrying about stuff that we can do nothing about. I see the situation just getting more and more challenging for ordinary people, my kids, with the job situation, the housing situation. But you know, you can only do what you can do and try to teach them and set an example. But for the most part, try to be a positive influence on people, on their well-being, mental health. I'm seeing a lot of good stuff coming out on YouTube. Some really great channels. I've really been enjoying watching a lot of the content from people like Slovo Lobo, who's done great guns in 2024. I'm seeing that Dewey Rides has recovered from his little broken leg, and is continuing his trip through South America. So I'm looking forward to some of the awesome content that's going to come from that. I found a new channel that's doing fantastic videos with beautiful scenery and photography. He's an Italian photographer and he's traveling through Asia, through some of the areas less explored: Chechnya, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, the Pamir Highway. It's called Lost and Savage. So go check that out. It's really good, really good. I'm surprised this is not blown up yet, but a very level-headed guy traveling on a fairly basic bike, fixes his own stuff, meets very interesting people. I've enjoyed watching Tim Brody Rides Motorcycles channel, his usual tour of the Vosges Mountains. I don't know how he does it. I need to figure out when he's going, so that when I go to the Vosges, it's dry. Because when I went to the Vosges, as you remember, in 2023, it was raining all the time. It was Ember Officer when I went through. But yeah, 2023, it was the tour of rain, le tour de pluie, as I called it. I don't know if that's how it's pronounced in French. It's very cold today, guys, so I'm a little bit worried about ice, but I think we're okay. It's above freezing now, and there's a lot of cars driving here. So even though it's kind of shiny, I don't think it's ice. I hope it's not ice. What else? I haven't been riding the Himalayan an awful lot. Just took it out for some pictures, put out a video, a really short video on that. I hope you enjoyed that. Now I'm starting to think about new tyres for the Himalayan. So yeah, I'm still on the original from factory Seat tyres. I've done just under 8,000 miles now on them. They still have lots of beat left in them, but I do want to get some tyres which are a little bit better off-road in the muddy stuff. So I'm thinking of some 60/40 or 50/50 tyres. Would you guys have any recommendations for tyres for a Himalayan that would be good on the road, decent in the dry and the wet, no conditions, but also be able to tackle a little bit of muddy stuff? That's what I'm looking for. So I have to do some research. But if you have any recommendations or ideas, I am very lacking in knowledge about dual use tires. So, and I'm just starting on that road. As I said, I'm still using the same tires. The Himalayan's going to be due its first ever MOT very soon, February, I think, because that's 3 years. And I have to change the handlebars because I dropped the Himalayan in a parking lot, pushing it backwards. I was on this side, the left side, and it fell to the right side. So now this handlebar here is slightly bent, and when I turn it full lock to the left, it kind of touches the screen. I've already got a replacement handlebar which I purchased from Hitchcock's, and I'm going to go and see my mechanic Alfie, and we're going to get rid of this one and put the new one in, and then hopefully Himalayan should pass the MOT, no problems. I think that's kind of the only issue with it right now. It's been fairly reliable, but then again, why shouldn't it be? It's well looked after, kept garaged, so there's no reason why it should be in tip-top condition. What about you? How's your start of the year, and what have you got coming up? Please let me know in the comments below. I love to hear about what's going on. If you do watch the channel, do give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. It helps the algorithm, helps push the channel. At this point of writing, I'm just 4 subscribers short of 1200. I've got 1096 subscribers, so I'm not short of 2000. I was kind of rooting to get to 1200 before the end of the year, but it didn't happen, which felt a little bit short. So yeah, it'd be nice to carry on growing the channel. So yeah guys, that's it, just a quick update video today. Thanks for checking it out. I appreciate you guys in the comments and in the subscriptions and in the views and all that, and yeah, I hope to catch you on the next one. But for now, from High Barnet, this is NooBiker.